Hello and welcome to Giftpack. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to upgrade or downgrade your Giftpack account, ensuring it suits your unique needs. Let's start with how to upgrade your account. First, log into your Giftpack account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, head over to the Billing section. Scroll down the Billing page, and you'll see a button labeled Upgrade to Premium. Simply click on it and confirm your decision. Your account will be automatically switched to Premium. If you're considering our Enterprise plan, we're here to assist you personally. Click on the Talk to Sales button and book a meeting with us. We'll guide you through the Enterprise plan options and find the best fit for your needs. Now, let's explore the process of downgrading your account to the Freemium plan. Before we start, please remember that by downgrading your account to Freemium, you will lose access to all of your Premium or Enterprise features and benefits, such as bulk import, procurement discounts, free design proposals, and more. In the same Billing tab, you'll find the Downgrade Sadly button. Click it to continue. Please note that in case you have more than one user seat in your account, you will have to delete the excess amount of user seats. Confirm your selection, and your account will be downgraded automatically. You can check your current plan by scrolling to the top of the page. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. For more guides like this, check out our videos below.